Hello sir, I hope you are doing very fine, and you can see your character is ready. It moves whenever you move. It can turn his eyes when I will move my eyes. It can also move eyebrows with my eyebrows. It can also turn his head or her head. You can see. You can also see I can move his arms by using dragger, and it is very easy to use with the help of the draggers. And the second thing which you wanted was the body tracker. I will let you know about body tracker later, but first I want to show you how to change the hand positions. To change the right hand position, you will press 1 on your keypad. If you want to turn the left hand, change or swap the position of left hand, you can just press 2. So if you want to revert that back, you can just press 1 and 2 respectively to move the hand position back to normal. So you can use dragger to move arms. I will strongly recommend you to use this way to move the arms, because this will look more natural. But if you wish to do it automatically, or you want to use body trackers, you can just turn the body trackers from here on, and you will press it and you will see the body tracker will be on. Now you will be standing in a position far away from the camera, where the camera can see your arms completely. So first of all, I have set my position, this one. After selecting a position, you will press calibrate and just stand still here and wait. So you can see it's not working properly, so I will adjust camera again, and I will press calibrate again. I will try once again. Okay, so you can see it has calibrated body arms, so you can use the body tracker now. It is a bit advanced, so I will strongly recommend you not to use body tracker. If this problem happens, this is due to a little issue. You can solve it, like it is called limb IK. So you will go to limb IK, and you can just you will press calibrate, so you can move arms with this tool. So in this way you can use body tracker to move arms up and down, but this is a bit advanced thing, so it will not work properly if you will be at initial stages. So I will strongly recommend to you to use the other way, I mean the draggers, to